Our business is structural engineering. We use PTC products in our workflow, especially MATCAD, because it works well with complex calculus. After a sheet is created for a certain project, it's helpful to be reused and all the changes are easy to be followed. The entire process is accurate and precise. All this increases the speed to the workflow, and this is a must for the short deadlines. An important feature is that we can integrate different software platforms with PTC, like Excel and others, to be able to provide state-of-the-art engineering.